But you can see my screen now. Right?
Yes.
Okay. I'm trading view. So how has the week been? How has the performance been for the week? Are you still having a downside? Is there anything you're struggling with? We are just starting, but based off the videos you've watched and what you've applied so far, are you having any difficulties? You can turn on the mic and answer. I believe no. Or it's probably my network again. It's probably my network again.
So I didn't really get the question.
Huh?
I didn't really get the question you asked.
No problem, let's continue. So, this is what I basically do when I open the chart, okay? Please pay attention. First of all, okay, let me show you how I got the gold bar. Okay? Some of you are looking at my chart, it was looking like SMC, right? You can also, there's SMC entry there and there's also key level entry there. I initially saw the key level entry. Before I now, use the SMC aspect to go in. Alright, so let me show you guys. Can you see my chart? Can you see it? I want to be sure so that I won't miss out anything.
Yes, sir.
And it's like, am I recording? Yeah, I'm recording. So, XAUUSD. Now, I think this is the daily time frame. Let's get back to the weekly. To check our storyline. Nope. Okay, weekly is still very much bullish, right? Weekly came from this key level here. Business storyline. The buy came from this key level. And your target would have been this high here. Right? For your TP. Take a profit here. Then from here, you start looking for buys again to the upside. But price didn't tap this key level here. Instead, started buying. Started giving this upside push. So let's get back to the daily time frame to see what's happening. The only entry you can get on the daily time frame now is using the open close key level. Or these open close key levels. These are levels you can go in from now. For now, right? Except this one that has formed here. But look at how you have gotten into this bar. So I saw this open close key level that got rejected. Look at it. This candle came and rejected. Close above. This open close key level. So now let's this daily time frame, right? Let's head over to H4 to refine that key level, to refine it. So now we're on the H4. Where do we refine the key level? We use this one, right? We use that one. And look at how price came, broke the key level, and went back in. So going back in now, I know it's going to reach for this key level here, because the high time frame is showing that it has rejected, right? It has rejected up and open close. So it's looking for buys. So regardless of whatever you're seeing here, you're still going to look for buys. Remember, the high time frame tells the true story, not the lower time frame. The higher time frame, the higher the accuracy. So immediately I saw that, what happened? Now we are supposed to head over to 1 hour time frame to look for our breakout. Where's our breakout here? Here is this one. This is our breakout, right? Am I getting it right? Can you guys hear me? Am I getting it right?
Yes.
Are we together?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So this is the breakout on a 1 hour time frame. Now let's go back to the candlestick chart again. So now, since that's our breakout, I initially missed this entry. I didn't go in from here. So I went back. If you want to look for a re-entry, right? If you got your breakout on the 1 hour time frame, go back to the 4 hours to look for key levels to go in. So I missed the first entry, and this was what I was looking out for. I was looking for potential key levels to go in from the continuation. So you have this open close. I didn't go in from there. I went in from this one here, this key level. So immediately I saw the rejection of this key level here, I went over to 1 hour. Now to refine that key level, where do we use? Let's just use this open close to refine it. So now this is refinement. Now where do you look for breakout again? 30 minutes. So in the 30 minutes, I saw this breakout. Where's our line chart? This breakout right here. This one. Can you see it? Back to our candlestick chart. Immediately I saw that breakout, where do you go in? From here. Where do you put your stop? At this low, right? And then our target at this high. But because it was NFP, I decided to go higher. I think my target was around here also, yeah, something like this. And this was how I got the buy from the daily open close storyline to this, right? Storyline is what tells the true story, or tells the direction of the market. You can have so many key levels and so many confirmation, but if your directional bias is wrong, your entries will fail. Trust me, because even in the wrong direction, you can see very clean entries like this. Understand? In the wrong direction, you can see very clean entries like this. So that's why direction matters a lot. If you are able to understand storyline and apply it right, apply it accurately. You don't just go on the chart and start marking out random key levels. No, it's not done that way. You have to apply it accurately. Start from the weekly time frame, daily time frame. Storyline tells the true story. Always remember that. So this is it basically. How I got the buy on gold. This was the only trade I took. I've not been trading very consistently this week because I've been busy with a lot of stuff at home. I'm setting up the house and everything. So let's deal more on this storyline of everything, because storyline is very, very important. Storyline is very, very, very important. It's very simple, yet it's very, very important. Okay, so let's see. Give me a pair. Give me a pair. We should check. Quick guy.